Symmetry is everywhere in nature and in things made by people. It happens when two sides are exactly the same.
It's time for the Jigsaw Jim Show.
Welcome to the show. I'm Jigsaw Jim. You know, with Valentine's Day just around the corner, we thought, why not decorate the workshop?
That's why I'm making some paper hearts.
Y'all know my wife, Jigsaw Jill.
Howdy.
She is so festive.
Now what you're gonna need is a pair of safety scissors and some construction paper.
Oh, this takes me back to art class. You know, the sound of scissors on paper and the smell of paint and the taste of paste.
Jim, you're not supposed to eat the paste.
Yeah, right.
So let's see what you got.
Oh, there it is. It's my heart.
Oh, Jim, honey, your symmetry is all off.
Cinnamon tree. Ooh, that sounds delicious.
No, your symmetry. The left side of the heart is supposed to match the right side.
Oh, well, it's just so complicated to do with hearts, you know?
Oh, all you have to do is try folding it in half. You fold up the paper, and then you cut through just one side of a heart.
Ooh.
There you go, like that. You unfold it,
Yes?
and you have a perfect heart.
What? That is amazing. It's just so, it's so
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical, yes.
That's right, and this line here is the line of symmetry.
Wow, the line of symmetry.
You know what? It works with snowflakes, too.
Get out of here. Hey, I got a question for you. Would you be my Valentine?
Oh, Jim.
My non-symmetrical Valentine.
There really is beauty in symmetry. Symmetry is when two sides of an object are exactly the same. A figure is symmetrical when its two halves can be folded. The fold line is called the line of symmetry.
There is beauty in symmetry when the left side matches the right. There is beauty in symmetry when the top and bottom are alike. It's in a car, it's in chairs, it's in a star, it's in stairs, it's in the CN Tower, it's in signs, it's in wind power. The symmetry lines, symmetry lines, symmetry lines.
Look around at home, outside, at school, and enjoy the beauty of symmetry. Thanks for visiting Mass City.